city of Los Angeles, y'all.
The tenderness of your lips, the scent of your skin, the warmth of your presence allures me. The smile out of your face on a warm summer day, the way that you lay like an angel. You are so beautiful, you stole my breath away. God made you as a precious child. Beauty has a name, Stacy. I thank him for the way he placed you in my life tonight. Beauty has a name, Stacy. It's Stacy. Stacy, you're beautiful.